So I'm the Director of Facilities Management, and I manage the department that takes care of most of the physical aspects of the campus. We do a lot of the small projects, things of that nature, and we take care of things like heating and cooling. And then the other thing that we do is we would take care of large capital projects, which chapel restoration project would be a large capital project. The chapel is one of the oldest buildings on campus, and it's the type of building that is meant to survive for a long time, but there are certain types of periodic maintenance that have to happen, and I think there's been a long stretch where that maintenance hasn't been done.
We're doing masonry repairs on the tower and the chapel, caulking, we're recoating some of the roofs, and I did a little waterproofing repair on the tunnel under the main building. You know, a building like this is irreplaceable. When you're doing restoration work, you want it to blend in and look like you were never there, but be repaired to last for years to come. Just trying to make sure it looks beautiful when I'm done. That's the biggest thing. The biggest challenge on something like this particular project is the weather. Right now we're closing into winter, starting to lose our temperatures for some of the items that we have to do, you know, and we're trying to get it done before that.
This chapel was built for the American Baptist students who attended here. It was obviously a central gathering place, probably intended to be the significant heart of the campus, both in a religious sense and also probably a pretty significant community place. And the bell tower is used very significantly because it's where the bell ringers are, and that's a really important part of our campus community and culture.
You know, one thing that I think is interesting is that there was a lot of work that had to be done just to make the tower safe to work in, and a lot of it was precarious. We actually had to go into the tower and make a lot of repairs and put up handrails and make it safe for workers to be up there. And that's something that I think a lot of people probably don't think about.